What's up everybody, PrefixWiz coming at you with another Unity tutorial. Continuing our series with Unity C# coding, today we're going to talk about how to randomize the order of an array. And that starts right now.
Double-digit thousands.
How to randomize the order of an array. Let's go ahead and open up Unity. Okay, so in our basic scene here, all I've done is create 5 sprites that I'm using as game objects, and I went ahead and tagged those as circles because that's how we're going to find it and store that information in an array. All right, let's go down to scripts. Let's go ahead and create a C# script, and let's go ahead and name it Randomize Array, and let's open it up in MonoDevelop. Okay, so first we're going to base this off of the Noose algorithm. I think it's one of the easier ones to do, so we'll just go ahead and do it in that fashion. I'll put a link in the description to where you can see some of the information. The first thing we're going to do is just create a public array of game objects, and we're going to call those circle objects. Okay, next we're just going to create an await function. Okay, now in the await function, all we're going to do is look for a bunch of game objects with the tag circles, and then we're going to go ahead and populate that array. So in the start function, we're going to go ahead and randomize information that we've collected in the await function. Okay, so in this for loop, we're going to start at the beginning of the array. Based on how long the array is, we're going to iterate it through that many times. So in this case, in the very first iteration, it's going to take the object in position 0. We're going to store that object from that position. Then we're going to randomize a number based on the length of the array. Then we need to take that object that was in that position and put it in the random position that we just received. And once we know the position, we want to go ahead and place that object that we stored. All right, let's save that. Let's go back into Unity. Let's create an empty game object. Let's put it on that object. It's in the scene now. Let's hit play and you'll see this populate. And you'll see 4, 1, 2, 5, 3. If we hit stop and we hit play again, we should see a different set of numbers here. So 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Pretty simple, guys. Very easy, just straightforward. This is how you randomize an array. You can get an array through tags, through find object of type. There's many ways to actually create the array. There's so many different ways to randomize it as well. I'm sure that there's other options out there. Pick one that best suits you, but this should get you going in your project. As always, if you like this video or if it helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. And in either case, subscribe.